How to change language in Blockman Go. Hi guys, it's Mekran from Gamers Tech. Today I am going to guide you how to change language in Blockman Go. Changing language in Blockman Go is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open Blockman Go. Launch the game on your mobile device. Go to Profile. Tap the avatar located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Go to Setting. Tap on the gear or setting option, usually located in the profile screen. Find the language option. Look for an option labeled language or its icon, often represented by a globe symbol. Select your preferred language. Tap on the language menu and scroll through the list to find your desired language. Confirm and restart. Select the language and the game might ask you to restart. Confirm and let the game reload with a new language. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can change your language in Blockman Go. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.